How to fix Madden 24 solo battles not working. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you a few ways to fix your Madden 24 solo battle if it is not working properly. So in the first method, just try and restart your Madden 24. It sounds simple, but sometimes all it takes to restarting the game and trying it again, because most of the time it's the server error which keeps on occurring. So just try and restarting the Madden again. And in the second method, you can try updating the Madden 24 to current version. Sometimes it's an updating issue when your game is not up to date. So check for any update if it is pending by heading into the information section of Madden 24 app in your console. And in the next way, you can check the internet connection. So solo battle requires an internet connection. So it is essential for you to ensure that your internet speed is the highest it can be. So if your Wi-Fi or internet is slower than usual, restart Madden and the router. Usually restarting the router will cause the internet to come back stronger than before, possibly fixing solo battle not working again. And in the last way, you can try and check the internet connection, because EA is usually pretty great at keeping the community in the loop regarding Madden error. So make sure to keep up to date on its servers. You can keep track of their server status or information on updates regarding the specific mode of following the official X account for Madden 24. If you want a quicker response, feel free to reach out to EA customer support and submit a ticket. So these are the few ways through which you can fix your Madden 24 solo battle if it is not working.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.